Right guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. This week I'm starting the video inside a Mercedes GLE that we've just had in. This is a really nice car. I'm not going to bore you with the whole diagnostic and repair job, but I'll tell you a bit about it and let you see the car. But then we're going to move on to some more information that I need to share with you guys, and another possible raffle that we're looking into doing. I want to get your guys' opinion on it, tell me if it's something that would interest you. So stay tuned, we'll get this back to the garage and we'll see you in a minute. Right guys, this was an easy one, nothing special. Diagnosed as bank 1 exhaust temp sensor using the AutoFix. We replaced it, cleared the codes, popped the engine cover back on, gave it a quick wipe down, and all was good with this one. Right guys, that's the Mercedes GLE away, and it's time to start filling you in on everything that's been going on in the last week at Home Build. So first things first, you'll know we done a video on the new AutoFix tablet. That's what we used to fix that Mercedes again, and like I said in the video previously, these are on a special offer for you guys at the moment. They're reduced to £249.99, so the link's in the description. I think they're only available until the 29th of August, so what date is it now? It's the 27th. You've got a couple of days to grab one of these at £250 guys, and in all honesty, I rate this slightly better than the Top Done, simply because it's a bigger screen size. I feel the refresh rate's a wee bit better. I just feel it's a lot clearer and a lot more user friendly. So, not that the Top Done's a bad product, I still think the Top Done's really good, but I think the AutoFix is slightly better for the DIYer. So, grab yourself one of these, £250, great bit of kit. Right, next bit of information. Obviously, we're going on the Veterans Banger Rally that you guys all know about. And we've been raffling off different prizes. So we gave away some socket sets, we gave away an impact gun last month. This month, as part of our partnership with Infinity Wax and to raise some money for the Veterans Banger Rally, we're going to give you guys a chance to win a massive starter pack of Infinity Wax products. So it's going to have everything you need in it. There'll be citrus pre-wash, there's going to be shampoo, there'll be snow foam, there'll be Finale interior dressing, interior detailer, air fresheners, trim dressing, quick detailer. Everything you need will come in a nice big pack, and it's going to start at £1 a ticket. So same again, link in the description. It's going to be on the raffle website. Go in there, grab a ticket for £1. We're going to do, I think, maybe double entries for the first week, so that's going to go live today hopefully, if not tomorrow, so check that out as well. If you guys remember, a couple of weeks ago we done a video, and John, the organiser of the Veterans Rally, sent us some retired go-kart clocks that he got made for us to say thank you for all the support in the Veterans Rally. He got one for our office, which looks great upstairs, and the other one we're going to give to one of you guys. So, like I said, these are retired by Catherine. She makes these to put herself through her go-karting career. She's all self-funded, she sells these on Etsy and eBay and stuff like that. But this one is for one of you guys. All you have to do to win it is to hit the like on the video and comment go-kart. So hit the like and comment go-kart, and then in a week's time we'll pick a winner at random on the next Sunday video to win the retired clock by Catherine. Right, on to the project cars now. As you guys know, we've done tons to the Micra, and we've still got a lot to do to it, so we're doing a manual conversion before it goes to Gibraltar as well. But to help raise money for the Blind Veterans UK and for cancer research, we've done a limited edition t-shirt to remember how the Micra used to be. So on the screen now, you'll see a rendition of how the t-shirt's going to look. It's a pre-order. If you were at the Dumfries car show, you'll have seen us guys wearing some of the samples, so you'll know how the t-shirt will look. Or if you've seen the video, we're actually wearing them there as well. But these t-shirts are a homage to what the Micra first looked like, because it's never going to look like that again. It's limited to 200 t-shirts, first come first served. It's a pre-order, so we're looking at delivering them the week we come back from Gibraltar. So hopefully we'll have all the orders in by then, help to raise money for charity, and when we come back everybody's t-shirts will be ready and shipped. So as well as the Micra t-shirt guys, we've got another couple of t-shirts on the website as well. We've got the black on black, which Charlie designed in a kind of Grand Theft Auto style font. We've also got the black with a new white logo. These look amazing. It's one of my favourite t-shirts, and these are available on the website as well. Right guys, that's enough about t-shirts. All the links will be in the description. Next up, we're on to the big box that I'm sitting on at the moment. And a lot of you guys might have guessed it already because you've seen the Micra and you've seen the new Max Speed and Rod sticker on the side of it. But they've teamed up with the channel to help us out with the little Mazda MX5 build. Obviously, we've got a lot of work to do to that. It's actually on the back burner for the minute because we've got a car coming back next week that all of you guys have been asking for. You will be super excited to see it, but we'll get on to that next week. But what I want to do is unbox this and show you what Max Speed and Rod sent us for the MX5. Guys, this will probably be the worst unboxing you've ever seen on YouTube because we got super excited and we've already burst into these already and had a look at them. So what they sent us was the two stickers that are on the car. We had to open that package so we could get them on the car for the car show. But they also sent us some lanyards. They've also sent us a dash towel, nice wee Max Speed and Rod's dash towel. We'll probably put that up on the wall instead of a dashboard because, well, we're in Scotland, we don't suffer with sun damaged dashboards because we don't get the sun very often. So we'll stick that up on the wall next to Jimmy Oaks. And yeah, obviously they sent us stickers as well, but they're already on the car, you've seen them. As for the big box, these are awesome and these are going to totally transform the handling of the little MX5 because at the moment it's got some cheap crusty coilovers on it that have been on there for, I think Shane bought them second hand and they were probably 10 years old then and they're another 10 years old now, so they're at least 20 years old. These are going to completely transform how the car handles and looks. So look at these, they even sent the same colour. These are fully adjustable coilovers for the MX5. Not only can you harden and soften the dampening with a little twist of the knob at the top, you can set the spring preload and then adjust the ride height from the base of the coilover. So you can adjust the ride height up and down without actually affecting the preload of the spring, which means it's going to handle a lot better, be a lot more comfortable on the road. Now that's one of the rears. The fronts are the exact same setup. I haven't set these up yet, so we'll go more in depth with it when we're fitting them on the car, but we're probably going to do that in a video next week because unfortunately the little Mazda MX5 is going to disappear for a little while and it's going to be stored in the garage at the house because, like I said, we've got a car coming back here that you guys have all been asking for, but we'll touch on that next week when you see next week's video. The next project I want to update you on is the motorhome. Now I have been filming loads of content on this, but unfortunately we've had probably the wettest summer in Scotland ever, and the camper van unfortunately doesn't fit in the door. So I have to do all the welding outside in between rain showers, and it's been really difficult to get on it consistently for a good few days at a time. But I've almost finished one complete side of it. I have been filming that, there is a video coming on it. I'm just trying to put it out in one video because there's only so much welding you can watch, but one side's nearly done, that video will be out soon. And yeah, probably in the next week or so it should be finished, hopefully as long as the weather stays good. Right, the Nissan Qashqai, it's nearly finished. All I need for that now is a front bumper wiring loom. Now I can find plenty offside ones, no, sorry, scrap that. I can find plenty near side ones, but I can't find any offside ones. And every single one down at the breakers is missing. I think there must be a common fault, somebody's whipped them all. So I can't find one there. There's none on eBay, and the dealer can't get me one for 12 to 18 weeks. So I'm kind of stuck on that at the moment because I didn't want to build all the front bumper and everything back up to then have to take it all back off again just to fit a loom. So if any of you guys can help with that, if you're a Nissan, if you work at Nissan or you know any breakers down south that might have one, I'm quite happy to pay the shipping. If you've got a contact number or anything, just send me a private message or an email, and I'd much appreciate that, and then we can get that cash cow done and that can be finished as well. Right guys, that's been a load of information so far, but I've still got a few more bits to tell you about, and we've still got a massive giveaway to tell you about. You need to stay tuned for that. It's the first time we've ever done anything like this. I'm super excited about it, and Finny Wax are super excited about it, and we'll tell you about that near the end of the video. But first of all, I want to tell you about the Audi TT. Now, you guys will remember the Bam Find Audi TT. We've done a few videos on it, we've done a load of paint work on it, we repaired the front lip, we've done loads of stuff. We fully restored it and it went for MOT, passed its MOT, and the owner's been running about in it for a wee while, but it's now come to the point where he's moving house and he wants to sell the Audi TT. So it's coming back here. We're going to give it another refresh. It's going to get another good clean with Infinity Wax products, get coated in a ceramic coating again, maybe a 1 year Synergy Light coating, and then it's going up for sale. So if any of you guys are interested in that Audi TT, it's got the rear vector body kit on it, it's got some, they're genuine Audi wheels, but they're off a newer model. It's got about 10 months MOT on it still, and it's pretty much, it's got the nice red interior, and it's pretty much good to go to a new home. So if any of you guys are interested, drop me a DM, drop me an email, and I can give you all the details about it as well. Right guys, the Merc that we rescued for the Banger Rally in 2022, we're in it, we're driving it, we use this quite regularly, we use this every weekend pretty much, and it's just a great old bus. In fact, it's actually going on the rally again this year. Stuart, one of the organisers, is actually going to take it, so it's going back to Gibraltar again, so you'll see it on the channel again shortly, getting a wee check over, a few wee bits and bobs, some decals, and the CB radio and stuff put in it. So yeah, the Merc, still here, still going strong, still going as good as ever. Right guys, that's me updated you on all the projects and everything that's been going on at Home Built over the last week. We've had some change of plans, some new plans, some other things happen, but that's pretty much it. So going forwards, you're going to see all the videos on the channel. But the time has come to tell you about our biggest giveaway yet. We're going to run it through raffle. As you know, we've used raffle on the channel before. We've given away socket sets, we've given away impact guns, and this time we're giving away a car. It's a joint venture between Home Built and Infinity Wax. The two of us are really excited about it. You guys are going to love it. It's not a Lambo or anything like that, because we're not at that level yet, but it is going to be our first car giveaway. We think it's going to be around about £5 a ticket, and there's going to be unlimited entries. You guys can get involved. We'll probably run double entries to begin with, but yeah, super excited about it. You guys are going to be blown away when you see the car. It's had so much done to it already, because Infinity Wax have done a bit on it. We're going to finish it off and take it to the next level, and then it's going to be raffled off to one of you guys. So what I need you all to do is head over to the Infinity Wax YouTube channel. I'll leave a link for that as well. Make sure you subscribe there. Check out their Instagram and Facebook. Make sure you follow them, give them a like. And of course, make sure you hit the sub button on the Home Built channel, and make sure your notification bell's on so you don't miss any of the content on the upcoming giveaway car. Like I said, it's going to be something special. It looks amazing already, and we're just going to make it look even better. And then one of you guys are going to be able to own it for a £5. Right guys, so I hope you are excited as we are to see the giveaway car. Obviously, like I said, Infinity Wax and Michael and the team have already done a load to it, so you need to go onto their channel. Make sure you subscribe to the Infinity Wax channel, hit the notification bell, because you can see what they're up to. And then next week we're going to go and pick the car up, so you'll see their videos as well. Make sure you follow both of us on Instagram, because you'll get all the updates, behind the scenes stuff of what's happening with the car. I know Mike and Ollie at Infinity Wax post loads on social media as well, so make sure you follow them. And obviously hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell on the Home Built channel so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming content, because there's loads happening. So thanks again for watching guys. I'm sorry this was a bit of just a kind of mad update video, but there's been so much happening, and this is actually good for me as well, because I can look back through the video and find out what I'm supposed to be doing, because there's so much happening and sometimes I just completely forget about stuff. So thanks again guys, thanks for all your support, and we'll see you next week.